Okay, we're on to the next step. In here, I would like to add that green bar shading. I'd like to shade that row, those cells. And as I'm looking at what I've created, I realize I've made an error. And that's really the point of this step, is to be able to give you some skills so that you can create it, have these editing skills within Excel. This is the issue. Look down here. I want to create this green bar at the end of it so it's open space. So it goes first quarter, then there's the green cell, that green row, and at the end is total yearly revenue. And then the data points are after that, in the row after that. Up here, I messed up intentionally, but I messed up. Here, I want these numbers here to be one cell lower. All of these right here should be one cell lower. They should be in that row right there. And then this one right here, net revenue, should be equal with, should be there, and this total yearly revenue should be one row up. And so you know what I want to do? Step one, to show you how do you delete rows or how do you insert rows. So I'm going to highlight. So here I go ahead, and when I get that arrow on a row right there, I want to highlight the row. And then I can either right click on it, right click, and go insert, or as you know, I can come up here to my main menu and go main menu, insert rows. And here it's either going to insert a row above or below, and I know from future use of this that it's going to insert the row above. So I'm going to go rows, and there it is. There's my row. And now all I need to do is take this total yearly revenue, I click on the cell, and inside that cell I have that text. And so I'm going to come up here. I can either go right click on the cell right now and go Control Cut, and or I can come up to the top, main menu, Edit, Cut, and then go to the cell right above it, right click, there's my paste. Now you can do the same thing. If you want to copy something, you can copy as well. So now I have that where I want it. Net revenue, it has to go one row up. So I'm going to go ahead, right click on it, cut. I'm going to go one cell up, and right click, go paste. There it is. Now I'm going to take a look. Net revenue equal with all the data points. At the end is that blank cell that will be green. Total yearly revenue, that's there. So now you understand how to cut, copy, paste, and now you know how to edit the cells, inserting a row or deleting a row. We actually inserted a row. What if we want to delete a row? All I have to do is go click, right click on it, and here it says delete. If I hit it right now, it's gone. What if I go, oops, I didn't want to do that? Well, then you know up here you have this undo button, or main menu, edit, undo, delete. And here it's back. You know what I'm going to do before I really mess up my spreadsheet? I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now I'm going to fill in my green bar. So as long as we've gotten this far, let's go ahead. I'm going to go click, hold, drag, and come across. And up here in the Tools menu, I'm in the Home tab. Up here in the Tools, Speed buttons, here's this paint can. That's my fill tool. I'm going to click the drop down. I'm going to pick green, and there it is. I'm going to click on that cell because I really do wish it was bigger, and I wish I can't read it when it's black on green. It's two darks. I need to have a light on a dark or a dark on a light. So I'm going to pick that cell. All I have to do is click on the whole cell, come up here to the letter A. I'm going to select, and I want them to make it bold so it's a little easier to read. I like it. Okay, now let's move on to the next step, which is formatting all of this.